In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive an email in Gmail. Whether you've accidentally archived an important email or simply want to revisit messages you've stored away, this guide will help you retrieve those emails with ease. First, go ahead and open Gmail in your web browser or mobile app. Make sure you're signed into the right account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're in your inbox, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen or your mobile interface. You'll notice a list of labels or folders such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and others that you might have created over time. Look for the More or Categories option, which is typically at the bottom of the list. Clicking or tapping on it will expand to show more options, providing access to other folders in your Gmail account. Now, you'll want to locate the All Mail label. This folder is the key to unarchiving your messages, as it displays all the emails associated with your account, including those that have been archived. The content here isn't filtered by any specific tags, giving you an overview of your entire email collection. If you're on a computer and don't immediately see All Mail, you might need to scroll down a bit within that expanded list of options. With All Mail open, you'll have a view into every message you've sent or received, regardless of its archive status. Here's a useful tip: use the search bar at the top to aid your search. Simply input keywords, email addresses, or phrases specific to the email you are trying to retrieve to make your search more efficient. Once you've located the email you want to unarchive, click or tap on it to open. You should see a toolbar across the top of your screen or mobile app, featuring various icons. One of these icons will look like a small envelope or folder symbol. Hover over each icon if you're unsure, and look for the tooltip or label for Move to Inbox. Click or tap on that option. By doing so, the email is shifted back into your primary inbox, effectively unarchiving it. If you prefer another way, consider using keyboard shortcuts on your desktop. For example, open the All Mail folder, select the email you want to move, and press the E key. This will instantly move the selected conversation back to the inbox. With your email now back where you need it, managing your inbox becomes much more streamlined. Remember, archived emails aren't deleted and can always be revisited whenever you need. Keeping your inbox organized is key, so use archiving strategically to maintain a cleaner workspace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.